Good morning students, welcome to you. Students, in previous topic we have learned the word problem of addition. Now today's topic is that let's untie a 10 in order to subtract. Observe here. Now let's see here. Rama said I have two boxes and each containing 10 pencils and 5 loose pencils. I want to give 7 of them to my friends. How to do that? Now let's solve her problem. Now Yash helps her. He said, open one box. You will get 10 and 5. That is 15 loose pencils. Count 7 of them to give your friends. Now in this way, she will give the pencils of her friends. But for that, she has to untie the box of 10 pencils. Now let's see here. Now let's see. I am going to explain this. The term of untie a 10. Let's see here. 15 means what? 1 tenths and 5 units. Now let's see. If we untie this 1 tenth, then there are 15 units. Means 1 tenth and 5 units is equal to 15 units. Now let's see another also there example. Listen carefully. 32 number is equal to means 3 tenths and 2 units. Let's see in this way. 3 tenths and 2 units means 32. And if we untie this one, अगर हमने इसमें से वन कॉलम ऑफ बॉक्स है ये अगर हमने अनटाई किया मीन्स ऐसे खुला छोड़ दिया तो देन हाउ मेनी रिमेन वहाँ पे देन 2 टेंस और ये 10 और 2 मीन्स 12 यूनिट्स 12 वंस हो जाएंगे मीन्स 2 टेंस एंड 12 यूनिट्स मीन्स 3 tenths and 2 units is equal to 2 tenths and 12 units. Okay. Subtraction by untying or borrowing or opening out a 10. 22 minus 7. Now let's see. I am going to explain this term. Let's see here. 22 means here we have to untie 1 tenth. So 20 means what? 1 tenth and 10 units. Here means 20. Now plus this 2 units. Here 10 units plus 2 units means 12 units. And this 1 tenth. Now, here minus 7 is there. 1 tenth and 12 units minus 7 units. So, 12 minus 7, 5 units. Now, here is 1. So, we have to write here 1 means 1 tenth. Means 1 tenth and 5 units means the number is 15 means 22 minus 7 is equal to 15. Now next 30 minus 9. Let's see here. 30 means 3 tenths. But if we untie 1 tenth then here remain 2 tenths and 10 units because we untie here. हमने इधर से 1 10 बोरो किया इधर से लिया तो वहाँ पे 2 टेंस रह जाएंगे 30 में से 30 means 2 tenths and 10 units minus 9. Let's see here minus 9 units. 10 minus 9, 1 unit. 2 tens is there, so write down 2 tens means 2 tens and 1 unit means 21 number in this way. 30 minus 9 is equal to 21. Now next, 63 minus 6. Here also we have to untie 110 from 60. Let's see here. 63 means we have to untie 110 from 60. 110 means there are 10 units. If we borrow 10 units, then there are remain 5 tens. Means 60 means 5 tens and 10 units. Means 60 is equal to 5 tens and 10 units. Now this 3 units plus we have to add here 3 units. 10 units plus 3 units means 13 units. Now let's see here. We have to subtract 6 units. So minus 6 units means 5 tens and 13 units minus 6 units. 13 units minus 6 units, how many remain? 7. And 5 is there, so write down here 5. Means the number is 57. 5 tens and 7 units. In this way. 63 minus 6 is equal to 57. Do practice carefully. The problem of untying 10. Now, next. Untie or borrow or open out a 10 and subtract. So, let's see here. 23 minus 5. 23 number. Now, 20 means 2 tens, but we have to untie 1 10 here. Now, if we borrow 10 units from 20, then there is 1 10 remain. Now, here 3 units are there, so we have to add 3 units. Means 10 plus 3, 13 units are there. And this 110 is there. Now 110 and 13 units minus 5. So let's see here. So minus 5 units. 13 minus 5. Let's see how many. 8 unit. And 110 is there. Means 18 number. 110 and 8 units. Let's see in this way. Now we are going to write here 1 tens and 13 units minus this 5. 13 minus 5, 8. And this one is here. We have to write the here in tens place. Means the number is 18. Means 23 minus 5 is equal to 18. Now next. 25 minus 8. Now I am going to explain. So let's see here. 25 number. In 25, if we untie 110 means 10 units, then there is remain 110 because we borrow 10 units this side. Now plus these 5 units. 10 plus 5 units, 15 units. Means this 1 tens and 15 units. Now let's see here. 25 minus 8. Minus 8. So minus 8 units. 15 minus 8, 7 units are remain, and 1 tens is here. Means 1 tens and 7 units means 17 number. Let's here write down. Now from 25, from 20 we borrow 10 units, and this 5 means 15. 10 plus 5 means 15 units, and minus this 8 units. 15 minus 8, 7 units. So write down there 7. This 1 is here, 110 means 17. The answer is 17. 25 minus 8 is equal to 17. Now 37 minus 9. Now let's see. 37. Let's see. If we borrow 10 units from 3 tens, then how many remain? 2 tens. Because 10 units we borrow. Now here let's see. 7 units are there. Plus 10 units plus 7 units means 17 units. Here these 2 tens are same remain. Now minus 9. 17 minus 9 means 8. Now 2 tens are here means 28. Answer is 28. Here we have to borrow 10 units, and this 7 means 17 units are there. Then there is 2 tens remain. Now minus 9. 17 minus 9 means 8. And this 2 is there. The answer is 28. 37 minus 9 is equal to 28. Now let's see next. Let's present the subtraction 35 minus 17 as shown below. Let's see here. 35 means 3 tens and 5 units. In this way. Now if we borrow 10 units from 3 tens, then how many remain? If we borrow this 10 units, then 2 tens are remain. 2 tens and then 10 plus this 5 means 15. Means 2 tens and 15 units. Now we have to write in this way now. Now let's see here. 35 minus 17. Now 3 tens and 5 units means 2 tens and 15 units. So we have to cut these 3 tens and 5 units and write down here 2 tens and 15 units. Now 15 minus 7, 8. 2 minus 1, 1. In this way you have to solve this problem of subtraction by borrowing. Subtract by untying or borrowing or opening out a 10. Now let's see the example. 40 minus 11. Now we have to borrow 10 units from 4 tens. So that we have to cut this. Cut 4. Also cut this 0. Now we have to borrow 10 units from 4 tens. 4 10 में से अगर 10 माइनस हो जाते हैं तो 4 माइनस 1 1 10 इधर चला गया, देन 3 मीन्स 3 टेंस रह गए. अब ये सब्ट्रैक्शन करो. 10 minus 1, which are the unit place we have to do the subtraction. 10 minus 1 9, 3 minus 1 2. In this way you have to solve subtraction by borrowing. Now next, 67 minus 29. Now we have to borrow 10 units from 6 tens, so that we have to cut this 6 and write here. क्योंकि हम इसमें से 10 यूनिट्स ले रहे हैं, बोरो कर रहे हैं, सो डैट वी हैव टू कट. 6 में से 1 टेंस हमने लिए तो वहाँ पे रह जाएंगे 5 टेंस. अब हमने 1 टेंस तो इधर ले लिए. नाउ दिस 7 कट करके ये 7 यूनिट्स ऊपर आ जाएंगे. नाउ 17, इधर के ये 10 और ये दिस 7 हियर. नाउ 17 minus 9 8. Now 5 minus 2 3. Observe and listen carefully. Now next, 92 minus 53. Again we have to borrow 10 units from 9 tenths. अब इधर हम 9 में से अगर 10 यूनिट्स हमने इधर लिए तो 9 में से 1 10 माइनस हो जाएंगे, वहाँ पे फिर 8 टेंस रह जाएंगे. नाउ 1 10 इधर लिए, ये 2 यूनिट्स कट करके ऊपर आ जाएंगे. नाउ 12 यूनिट्स माइनस ये माइनस 3 यूनिट्स. 12 में से 3 माइनस करो 9. नाउ 8 minus 5 3 means the answer is 39. Means 92 minus 53 is equal to 39. In this way you have to solve the problem of subtraction by borrowing or untying 10. By borrowing 10 or untying 10. Now next, 17 minus 9. Now you have to solve 17 minus 9. In this way you have to write the example of subtraction. Now let's see. Here we have to borrow 10 units from this 110. Now 110 में से 110 माइनस हो जाएंगे तो यहाँ पे 0 टेंस रह जाएंगे. नाउ ये टेंस इधर के टेंस हमने इधर लिए 1 10 और ये 7 कट करके ये ऊपर हो गए, मीन्स 17 यूनिट्स. नाउ 17 यूनिट्स माइनस 9 यूनिट्स मीन्स 8 यूनिट्स आर देयर. नाउ ये तो 0 है, 0 टेंस तो ये 0 मीन्स 17 माइनस 9 इज इक्वल टू 8. Next, 30 minus 12. So let's see here. So that we have to borrow 110 from 3 tens. So 3 कट करो. अगर 1 टेंस हम इधर लेते हैं तो 3 कट करके उधर ऊपर 2 टेंस लिखना है, बिकॉज वी बोरो हियर 110. तो 10 और ये 0 कट करके ऊपर आ जाएगा. नाउ 10 माइनस 2 8. नाउ 2 माइनस 1 1 मीन्स 30 minus 12 is equal to 18. 1 tenth and 8 units. Now next, 51 minus 18. Let's see. Here also we have to borrow 10 units फ्रॉम 5 टेंस। 5 10 में से 1 10 इधर गया तो कितने रह जाएंगे 4 टेंस, और 1 10 इधर गया। नाउ वी हैव टू कट दिस 1 यूनिट, ये ऊपर लिखेंगे मीन्स 11, ये इधर के 10 और ये इधर का है 1 यूनिट, तो 11 हो जाएंगे। नाउ 11 माइनस 8 3। Now 4 minus 1 3 means 51 minus 18 is equal to 33. In this way you have to write and you have to solve the subtraction problem by untying 10 or borrowing 10. Now next 46 minus 17. Let's see. We have to cut 4 because we have to borrow 10 units. Cut 4 and write down there 3 tens. Cut 6 and write down there 16. Now 16 minus 7 9. Now 3 minus 1 2 means the answer is 29. 46 minus 17 is equal to 29. Now next 83 minus 59. Let's see. We have to borrow 10 units from 8 tens. So cut 8 and write down there 7 tens. Now cut 3 and write down there 1 and 1 10 and 3 units means 13 units. Now 13 minus 9 4. 7 minus 5 2 means there is 24 answer, means 83 minus 59 is equal to 24. Next 74 minus 25. We have to borrow 10 units from 7 tens. So cut 7 and write down there 6 and cut here 4 units and write down there 14 units because we borrowing 10 units from this side. Now 14 minus 5 9. Now 6 minus 2 4 means 74 minus 25 is equal to 49. In this way you have to solve the subtraction. Now next, Bhavna has watered 27 of 43 trees. How many does she still have to water? Now what is given? Total trees means 43. Then of them 27 watered. Then what is asked? How many to be watered? What shall we do? Now we have to do here subtraction. Now let's see. Write the problem. 43 total trees minus 27 water trees. Now let's इधर से हम 4 10 कट करके हमने इधर 1 10 लिया मीन्स 10 यूनिट्स हो गए, और ये 3 कट करके इधर रख दिए मीन्स 13 यूनिट्स, एंड 4 कट करके यहाँ 3 टेंस हो गए बिकॉज वी बोरो हियर. नाउ 13 minus 7 6, 3 minus 2 1 means 16 trees to be watered. In a mathematical grid, 17 counters are placed, of which 42 are green and the others are red. Then how many red ones are there? Okay, let's see. Let's see here. Now I am going to write the example to green counters. So write down there 17 minus 17 counters in all minus 42 green counters. Now we have to do the subtraction here. So we have to borrow 1 tens from 7 tens, means we have to cut 7 and write down there 6 tens, 6 in tens place, because we have to borrow 1 10 means 10 units. Now cut this 0 and write here. Now 10 minus 2, 8. 6 minus 4, 2. Means there are 28 red counters. Now next. Swara had 92 beads. She gave Pari 59 of them. How many does she have now? Let's hear. What is given? Swara. The beads with Swara means 92 and the beads with Pari means 59. And what is asked? Means remaining beads with Swara. What should we do? We have to subtract. So let's see. I am going to write the problem. Means 92 beads with Swara minus 59 beads with Pari. Now we have to borrow 10 units from this 9 tens. So cut 9 and write here 8 tens. And cut this 2 and write here 12. Because we borrow these 10 units from here. So that we have to cut this 2 also. 12 minus 9, 3. 8 minus 5, 4.